Have you noticed that mornings don't feel the same anymore? The energy, drive, and confidence you once had when you were younger, it slowly slips away after 50. Many men blame it all on age, but here's the truth most people never hear. Your testosterone isn't only controlled by age, it's controlled by your daily habits. And what's shocking is this: some of the smallest things you do every single morning are silently draining your testosterone levels. Things you may think are harmless, like how you start your day, what you eat, or even what you check on your phone, can create a ripple effect that lowers your hormones, weakens your energy, and even impacts your performance in the bedroom. According to studies published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism, lifestyle and daily routine account for a massive portion of testosterone decline, not just age. That means by changing just a few morning habits, men can protect and even restore their hormone balance. I'm Dr. Luna, and today I want to walk you through 5 common morning habits that quietly destroy testosterone in men over 50. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which habits to avoid and what to do instead, so you can feel stronger, more confident, and more alive every single day. Let's begin with the very first habit, and it might surprise you because it's something most men do without thinking. The very first morning habit that quietly destroys testosterone in men over 50 is skipping a protein-rich breakfast. Most men either rush out the door with nothing but coffee in their stomach, or they grab something quick and carb-heavy like toast, bagels, or sugary cereal. At first glance, it feels harmless, maybe even normal. But here's the catch. When you start your day with either no food or only simple carbs, your body releases a surge of cortisol, the stress hormone. High cortisol in the morning does 2 major things. 1, it blocks testosterone production. 2, it causes energy crashes and cravings later in the day. A 2013 study from the University of Milan found that men who consistently ate a protein-rich breakfast had higher testosterone levels compared to men who skipped breakfast or ate mostly carbs. Protein stabilizes blood sugar, reduces cortisol, and provides the amino acids your body needs to produce testosterone. Think about it like fueling a car engine. If you put in the wrong fuel or no fuel at all, the engine sputters and struggles. Your hormones work the same way. Without proper morning fuel, your testosterone simply doesn't fire at full power. The fix is simple. Start your day with a balanced breakfast rich in protein and healthy fats. Eggs, Greek yogurt, nuts, or even a protein shake can make a dramatic difference. And here's the kicker. This one shift not only supports testosterone, but also helps with muscle strength, metabolism, and mental focus all day long. The second morning habit that slowly destroys testosterone is drinking too much coffee on an empty stomach. Now, don't get me wrong, coffee itself is not the enemy. In fact, moderate coffee consumption can improve focus, mood, and even circulation. But here's the problem. When men over 50 wake up and immediately reach for 2 or 3 cups of coffee before eating anything, it puts the body under unnecessary stress. Why? Because caffeine stimulates the adrenal glands, which pump out cortisol, the same stress hormone that directly competes with testosterone. High morning cortisol already happens naturally, since your body uses it to wake you up. Adding heavy caffeine on top of that spikes cortisol even higher, essentially telling your body, forget testosterone, let's just survive stress. Researchers at the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition have noted that excessive caffeine intake can interfere with sleep cycles and hormone balance, and poor sleep or disrupted circadian rhythm is one of the strongest testosterone killers in men over 50. Another issue is that coffee on an empty stomach increases stomach acid and can mess with nutrient absorption. Key nutrients like magnesium and zinc are vital for testosterone. But if your digestive system is irritated, your body won't absorb them efficiently. The smarter approach is balance. Instead of slamming down coffee right after waking, drink water first to rehydrate, then eat a protein-rich meal or at least a handful of nuts, and only then enjoy your coffee. 1 to 2 cups is fine, but avoid overloading with 4 or 5 cups, which pushes stress hormones into overdrive. Bottom line, coffee isn't the villain, but how and when you drink it makes all the difference for your testosterone and long-term energy. The third morning habit that silently lowers testosterone in men over 50 is skipping a protein-rich breakfast. A lot of men think they're saving time, cutting calories, or even following intermittent fasting by skipping breakfast. But here's the truth. If you're over 50, your body is already under natural hormonal decline, and skipping protein in the morning can accelerate that decline. Testosterone is built from cholesterol and supported by amino acids, the building blocks of protein. Without enough high-quality protein early in the day, your body doesn't get the raw materials it needs to repair muscle, balance blood sugar, and maintain hormone production. A study published in the Journal of Clinical Endocrinology and Metabolism showed that men who consumed a protein-rich breakfast had significantly better testosterone levels throughout the day compared to those who skipped it. Protein not only supports testosterone, but also helps regulate insulin, another hormone that plays a big role in fat storage and energy. When insulin spikes or crashes due to poor breakfast habits, testosterone usually falls right along with it. Think about it. What does your body do when you skip protein and grab a sugary pastry or nothing at all? Your blood sugar rises and crashes, your energy tanks, and your hormones swing out of balance. Over time, this morning pattern trains your body to prioritize fat storage instead of hormone production. The smarter habit is simple. Start your day with at least 20 to 30 grams of protein. That could be eggs, Greek yogurt, a protein smoothie, or even nuts paired with fruit. Protein first thing in the morning helps stabilize your metabolism, protect lean muscle, and keep testosterone production steady all day long. The fourth morning habit that destroys testosterone is avoiding natural sunlight. Now, this one surprises many men. You wake up, make your coffee, stay indoors, and maybe don't step outside until hours later. But here's the problem. Sunlight is one of the most powerful natural testosterone boosters available, and skipping it is like shutting off your body's hormone switch. Why? Because sunlight stimulates the production of vitamin D, often called the sunshine hormone. Technically, vitamin D is not a vitamin but a hormone precursor. Without it, your body struggles to make enough testosterone. In fact, a well-known study published in Hormone and Metabolic Research showed that men who were deficient in vitamin D had significantly lower testosterone levels than those with adequate levels. When vitamin D levels were corrected, testosterone rose right along with it. The problem is that modern lifestyles keep men indoors. Add in sunscreen, office jobs, and screen-heavy mornings, and your body never gets the signal it needs from the sun. That signal does more than just boost testosterone. It also regulates your circadian rhythm, the natural clock that controls sleep, energy, and hormone cycles. Think about this. If you avoid sunlight in the morning, your body doesn't fully wake up. Cortisol stays higher than it should, melatonin, the sleep hormone, lingers too long, and testosterone production stalls. It's like trying to drive a car with the parking brake still on. The fix is simple but powerful. Step outside for 10 to 20 minutes of sunlight within the first hour of waking. Even indirect sunlight, like sitting near a bright window, helps, but nothing beats natural outdoor exposure. Pair it with a short walk, some deep breathing, or even light stretches, and you give your body a triple boost: better circulation, more oxygen, and stronger hormone signals. Avoiding sunlight may seem harmless, but over weeks and months, it can silently chip away at your testosterone and energy. The fifth and final morning habit that destroys testosterone is starting your day with a high-sugar breakfast. Many men don't even realize they're doing this. You grab a bowl of cereal, a muffin, sweetened yogurt, or even fruit juice, thinking it's a quick and healthy option. But here's the truth. These sugar-loaded foods spike your blood sugar and insulin levels right after waking up, and that hormonal roller coaster crushes testosterone. Here's why it matters. Testosterone and insulin have an inverse relationship. When insulin spikes too high, your body prioritizes fat storage instead of hormone production. Over time, this leads to insulin resistance, increased belly fat, and lower testosterone. A clinical trial in the journal Clinical Endocrinology revealed that men given a large dose of sugar had an almost 25% drop in testosterone levels within just 2 hours. Imagine starting your morning with that kind of crash every single day. It explains why so many men over 50 feel drained, sluggish, and less confident before the day even begins. The problem is compounded by the fact that sugary foods give you a quick burst of energy, but then leave you in a slump. That slump triggers cravings for even more sugar or caffeine, which keeps you stuck in a cycle that weakens your hormones day after day. The smarter move? Replace high-sugar breakfasts with protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Instead of cereal, try eggs with avocado. Instead of fruit juice, go for whole fruit with Greek yogurt. Instead of muffins, grab a handful of walnuts or almonds with oatmeal. These choices stabilize blood sugar, protect testosterone, and give you lasting energy. Bottom line, what you eat first thing in the morning sets the tone for your entire hormonal day. If you start with sugar, you're starting with sabotage. So let's bring it all together. We've covered the 5 morning habits that silently destroy testosterone in men over 50. 1. Hitting snooze repeatedly, which confuses your body clock and lowers natural testosterone release. 2. Drinking too much coffee on an empty stomach, which spikes cortisol and disrupts nutrient absorption. 3. Skipping a protein-rich breakfast, depriving your body of the building blocks needed for testosterone. 4. Avoiding morning sunlight, which starves your body of vitamin D, one of the most critical hormone boosters. 5. Starting your day with a high-sugar breakfast, spiking insulin, promoting fat storage, and dropping testosterone. Each of these might seem small on its own, but when combined and repeated day after day, they slowly erode your strength, confidence, and vitality. The good news? You can turn this around, starting tomorrow morning. Imagine waking up with steady energy, a sharper mind, and more confidence in the bedroom, simply because you adjusted your morning routine. These aren't extreme changes. They're simple, natural, and backed by science. As Dr. Luna always says, small daily choices build the foundation of lifelong hormone health. If you want to protect your testosterone after 50, don't wait for a prescription or a complicated plan. Start by fixing your mornings. Step outside for sunlight. Eat a protein-rich meal. Cut down the sugar. And give your body what it truly needs to thrive. And here's the best part. Once you start these habits, you'll notice changes faster than you think. More morning energy, better stamina, more consistent performance. These are signals that your testosterone is finally working with you, not against you. Before we wrap up, let me leave you with this. Your mornings shape your manhood. If you master the first 2 hours of your day, your body will reward you for the next 22. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to 360 Degrees Men's Health for more practical, science-backed advice from Dr. Luna on men's vitality, prostate health, and performance after 50. Take care of yourself, make the right choices every morning, and your body will give you back the energy, strength, and confidence you deserve.